Okay. I am messing up big time. Hello, YouTube friends. As a general rule, I don't do opening videos, box videos. This is something that a lot of people already have, but I decided to go ahead and do an unboxing on my channel for those of you that watch me, which is 150 people, somewhere around there, 115, probably being too generous. Anyways, thank you for your support. I don't ask for money, I don't ask for donations, this is all on my own time. But anyways, I got something in the box that I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for. And I'm going to open it for you. Because I think anybody that lives in the snow belt that can't get out and enjoy the winter, like people like me, need to have this. And I can already see it needs to turn around, so we're going to do that. Oh look, paper in the box. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. I've been looking at these for 2 years now. And when I saw the price, I thought, that's crazy. I'm not paying that much for it. That's just too much. But these come ready to run out of the box, plain and simple. So, I'm going to unbox it and check it out. Oh, I forgot. Another goodie came with it. What could that be? This was a package deal, guys. You ordered this. You were also given the opportunity to get that there. I'm going to open this box too. But for the price I got it for, it was worth it. It really was. It was $3.49 for the whole package deal. And these here, by themselves, were $80 anywhere else. And I know everybody that's watched other people's videos have already seen this, so they know what this is. But I'm still going to do this online for you guys. These are the tracks, the metal tracks that go with it. I'm thinking about getting the rubber slippers that fit over these, just because I don't want to take it off and switch back and forth to the other ones. And everybody I've talked to said the rubber slippers work really well. These are really easy to install. I got them for a good price. And I have a small driveway to snow blow or whatever. This is going to be a blast. I'm going to have fun with this. I thank all my viewers for tuning in to my channel. And I'm going to tell you, guys, if you can get one of these, get it. Watch my other videos. If you say you can't afford something like this, anything RC, you can afford it. Put your best foot forward, set a goal for yourself, put some money away, fix a few old broken down lawnmowers, do snow shoveling for your neighbors, mow their lawn, save the money up, put it away. And eventually, before you know it, you'll have enough money for one of these. It's just, if you're into RC or even claim that you want to do RC, this is the kind of thing that you can do. I sold a snowblower and I fixed another snowblower to pay for this. So none of the money actually came out of my pocket for any of this. It's all paid for by someone else. So, I thank you again for watching my channel. And I hope you enjoy my video, my unboxing. I guess I really didn't take it out of the box. But, oh, there goes my fancy knife. Let's just go ahead and finish opening it real quick just to kill off time. Styrofoam. Oh, there's something in here. I don't know what that is. A mystery. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the plow. Oh, and the battery. The rocket pack. That's the battery pack that came with it. We'll see how that works out. There's There's the plow. I'm going to see if I can have someone that knows how to do 3D or whatever, build a custom plow. This one's really lightweight. Probably okay. Anyways, we'll get that out of the way. Look at the manual. Manual. Almost there. Oh, you know what? We're there. Let me do this without breaking it. And there it is. Oh, in all its glory. What do you think, guys? Nice, huh? Oh, I have a light coming here that revolves. And I've got a kit from Turnigy. Turnigy sells a light kit that you can use on airplanes, cars, boats, whatever. I've got 5 of those kits that I've saved up. I'll put those up there. I'll put 2 down here. I'll put 2 up there. Stuff is falling out over here. Lappy door. I have no idea where that just came from. It just fell out. Free prize inside. I have no idea what that's for. Okay. Oh, you know what? It probably came off the video. Oh. Do it that way. Yes, I may. This is going to get a lot of improvements, just so you guys know. May not be this winter, because I want to play with this. But I'm definitely planning on upgrading, and yes, that's the back of this. It must have somehow fell off and snuck out. Like that. Whoops. Like that. And there's the remote for it. I know these are squirrely. Everybody tells me they're squirrely. That's fine. I don't have a problem with that. I'm going to replace this. I want the pistol grip car type. I've got extra ones. So I will be changing the ESC. I will be changing the motors. I will be changing everything inside this. So I will be doing some other videos for you guys. Okay? Alright, that's the end of my video. Hope you guys all enjoy this. And tune in for the next video. I will probably do a demonstration since we're getting snow. Alright. Bye-bye.